Dear student, we have already explained the idea about the displacement, velocity and acceleration of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. Now we have to find here maximum and minimum value of displacement, velocity and acceleration of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. First, at a mean position, that is displacement is given by x is equal to a into sine of omega t plus phi. The particle performing LSHM, this is mean position, extreme position, extreme position. The maximum displacement of particle from its mean position is called as the amplitude of the particle. Now here at mean position, here the angle omega t plus phi is equal to 0 or which is equal to pi. Substitute this value in this equation, therefore x is equal to 0. The displacement of particle at mean position is equal to 0, म्हणजे particle कुठेही गेला नाही म्हणून त्याचं डिस्प्लेसमेंट किती मिळालं आपल्याला 0 मिळालं. At extreme position, at extreme इथून इथं आला, at extreme position the angle omega t plus phi is equal to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Substitute this value in this equation, we find the value of x, that is x is equal to a into sine of omega t plus phi is equal to pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. Sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to a. It may be plus, may be minus, plus minus. Therefore x is equal to plus minus a. Amplitude of the particle at extreme position is equal to maximum, that is x is equal to a. Now we explain here velocity. Velocity of particle at mean position, at extreme position, या दोन्ही पोझिशनला velocity find out करायची आपल्याला. At mean position x is equal to, at mean position x is equal to, किंमत घेऊया, ते आपल्याला किंमत किती मिळते बघा. At mean position x is equal to 0. At mean position velocity displacement of particle is equal to 0. Therefore v is equal to omega into square root of a square. Therefore v is equal to omega into a plus minus किंवा v is equal to a into omega. That is velocity of particle at mean position is maximum. इथे velocity काय असणार आहे, पार्टिकलची मॅक्झिमम असणार आहे. ॲट एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशन, आता पार्टिकल कुठे आला, इथे आला. ॲट एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशन द वेलोसिटी डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू ए. आता इथून इथं आलं म्हणजे ए झालं, म्हणून x इज इक्वल टू ए. Therefore v is equal to plus minus omega into a square minus a square. x is equal to a घेतलं, इथं काय मिळालं, velocity is equal to 0. At mean position, at extreme position the velocity of particle is equal to 0. ज्यावेळेला पार्टिकल बाहेर जातो किंवा एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशनला जातो त्यावेळेला त्याची velocity 0 होते, पुन्हा तो परत येतो. असा इकडे या पद्धतीने velocity is minimum or 0 at extreme position, maximum at mean position v is equal to a into omega. Now acceleration of particle in LSHM at mean position x is equal to 0. या ठिकाणी mean positionला x is equal to 0 घेतला तर acceleration is equal to, here we consider only magnitude of acceleration. Therefore acceleration is equal to 0 at mean position. mean position ला acceleration काय झालं, 0 झालं. At extreme position x is equal to a. Therefore acceleration is equal to omega square a किंवा a into omega square. This is the maximum value of acceleration at extreme position and acceleration is equal to 0 at mean position. Now, what is mean by amplitude of particle in LSHM? Amplitude ची किंमत आणि डेफिनेशन आपण या ठिकाणी पाहूया. Extreme position of particle, extreme position of particle, mean position. इथून इथं मॅक्झिमम amplitude displacement आहे. What is mean by amplitude? The maximum displacement of particle from its mean position. The maximum displacement of particle from its mean position is called the amplitude of that particle. Here at mean position A is equal to 0. At mean position amplitude of particle is equal to 0 and extreme position amplitude of particle is equal to A. Amplitude किती मिळणार आहे आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम x is equal to A at extreme position. Now we explain the periodic time of simple harmonic motion. Periodic time of linear simple harmonic motion. आपण periodic time इथे find out करूया. Periodic time or period of SHM. It is represented by capital T. Time taken by particle to complete one oscillation. Particle इथं होता, इथून इथं गेला, ही मेन पोझिशन, इथून इथं गेला, पुन्हा इथं आला, तर एक oscillation पूर्ण झालं म्हणायचं. Time taken by particle to complete one oscillation is called as the period of linear simple harmonic motion, period of particle in LSHM. Now, period is given by formula T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. It is 2 pi divided by omega, but we already taken omega square is equal to k by m, where k is equal to force per unit displacement. Force per unit displacement divided by mass. But according to Newton's law of motion, F is equal to ma, therefore A is equal to F divided by m. यावरून ओमेगा स्क्वेअर कसा लिहिता येतो? ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू acceleration per unit displacement. Acceleration per unit displacement is equal to omega square मिळालं, कारण फोर्स पर युनिट डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणजे काय? फोर्स पर युनिट डिस्प्लेसमेंट F भागिले x असेल डिस्प्लेसमेंट घेतलेलं डिवाइडेड बाय मास, बट F डिवाइडेड बाय फोर्स F डिवाइडेड बाय m, म्हणून ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू acceleration पर युनिट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इथं आपल्याला घेता येतं. देअरफॉर वी राईट, या ठिकाणी आपण असं लिहू शकतो, ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ acceleration per unit displacement. Acceleration per unit displacement. Therefore, periodic time T is equal to 2 pi divided by square root of omega square. म्हणजेच T is equal to 2 pi divided by square root of acceleration per unit time. Per unit time. This is the formula for period. Also we write here T is equal to 2 pi divided by square root of omega square means k divided by m, or T is equal to 2 pi into square root of m divided by k. This formula gives the period of linear simple harmonic motion or particle performing LSHM in time t is equal to 2 pi into square root of m divided by k. K is equal to force per unit constant, force per unit displacement, m is the mass. Now we explain frequency of LSHM. Frequency of LSHM, it is represented by letter n. The number of oscillations performed by particle per unit time or per second is called frequency of oscillation. म्हटलं जातं त्याला and also it is defined as n is equal to 1 divided by t. A reciprocal of periodic time is called as the frequency of particle performing LSHM, but t is equal to 2 pi into square root of m divided by k. Substitute this value in this equation. Therefore, n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into square root of k divided by m. With the help of this formula, we find the frequency of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. The unit of frequency is hertz and time measured in terms of second. The next point is phase of linear simple harmonic motion. What is meant by phase of LSHM? The quantity which describes the state of oscillation of particle. Particle कुठं आहे ती oscillation ची state describe करणारी quantity. The quantity which describe the state of oscillation of particle or position of particle in linear simple harmonic motion is called a phase of LSHM. We know that displacement of particle x is equal to a into sine of omega t plus phi displacement. हा displacement चा formula झाला. In this quantity, in this equation, the quantity omega t plus phi is called as the phase of SHM. या क्वांटिटीला phase of simple harmonic motion असं म्हटलं जातं. ही क्वांटिटी म्हणजे which describe the state of oscillation of particle याला म्हटलं जातं. Also it is called as the phase angle या linear simple harmonic motion मध्ये म्हटलं जातं. The state of oscillation means what? State of oscillation means what? The magnitude or displacement, magnitude and direction of the displacement of the particle at any instant is called as the phase of SHM.